Hey, what is up everybody? Welcome back to T2R Tech. Now today, before we get started with this brand new product review, I just want to thank you guys so freaking much for how much support you guys gave me on the previous, basically all the videos. I'm like amazed. We only have about 4 videos on this channel and I've already gotten that much support, and I want to thank you guys so freaking much. So today, let's get into the review here. We're reviewing actually 2 things today. We're actually reviewing 2 things. And the first thing is the Afterglow Xbox 360 red wired controller. Now, I still personally like the 360, that's why I picked this up. The 360, so amazing with their nice controller design that's always been loved and comfortable. And this controller improves on that iconic 360 controller design. As you see, it's got this really cherry red color, almost orange, but it's red, and I kind of like how it's kind of got that 2-color look. Like one angle, if you look at it, it's red, and then if you look at it, it's kind of orange, and it's just kind of cool that way. And it's got this nice 10-foot cable for if you like to stretch out, because of course it would use up a lot of batteries if you had a wireless LED controller, so that's why you gotta have a cord for it, but at least they gave you some slack and gave you about 10 foot of space. Yeah, and it's a really comfortable controller. The triggers are real good feeling in your hand. I really like it. I actually got it plugged into the computer behind me, and it's actually got 3 LED modes. So the first one is of course on, and the second one is where actually it's like it'll stay black until like a vibration comes onto the game. So if you shoot a weapon, it'll light up to the vibration, and it's really cool. And then there's also, off mode and all that. So it's got 3 yeah, I just went into the vibration mode, but yeah, it's got 3 LED modes. And as you can see, it's clear. It's a clear controller, so you can see the the vibrating weights spinning. That's what causes it to vibrate, and it's a really great controller. And it's also got like anti-ghosting and anti-input lag, so it's a really nice controller if you want to use it in a competitive level. So the second thing here I have to review is actually on the controller, and before you guys put your guns down, I know I got Xbox One control freaks on here, and of course if you guys can't see it, there you go. Those are Xbox One control freak risers. And of course I did put it on this Xbox 360 controller. And of course the Xbox One's thumbsticks are a little bit smaller, so it did kind of bend back and kind of rip some of the old thumbsticks on here. And that's not Afterglow's problem or nothing, that's my fault, because these are made for Xbox One and I put them on a 360 controller. But I looked and tried to find some 360 control freaks, but they didn't have them. So, I mean, these work, so that's all that matters. Now, these control freak risers are really comfortable, especially if you're, again, in a competitive area and you need, like in a first-person shooter, and you need to, turn your gun quicker, move faster. You have more control. Of course, when the joysticks, you use them lower, you can't really move them as fast. But see right there, you can move them way faster because you get more leverage. It's real comfortable on your thumbs, really good grip feeling. I really like these control freaks. And you can pick them up for about 15 bucks, and this controller was about 20 bucks, I think. So it's a really good price for a good package if you're still a 360 gamer. And of course, there are some LED wired controllers for the Xbox One. But for some reason, man, the 360 controller is my favorite controller, the most comfortable controller. And if you're still a 360 gamer, this is a controller and some control freaks I would pick up. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and again, thank you for all the support. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.